Hey everyone, Brian here with Exact Cybersecurity. Today we've got an urgent cybersecurity alert that you need to know about, especially if your company relies on Halo, their ITSM, PSA, or CRM product. This apparently impacts all of the Halo products, and I'm going to update you in today's video. Recently, cybersecurity researchers at AssetNote uncovered a critical SQL injection vulnerability affecting Halo's popular IT management software. The initial disclosure occurred the other day on April 3rd, but here are the critical details that you need to know if you're a Halo user. AssetNote will release the details on June 2nd, which means that cyber criminals now have or will have all the information that they need to exploit systems that haven't been updated yet. However, we do know that this is actively being exploited in the wild by a few people who already know about this particular vulnerability. What makes the vulnerability so alarming is how easily it can be exploited. Attackers don't even need valid login credentials to compromise your systems. They can remotely target the post log me in API endpoint, which sends a malicious SQL command directly into your database. Once inside, attackers can extract sensitive data like stored credentials, API keys, employee passwords, and even customer information. Even worse, they can escalate their privileges, create new administrators for their own use. It gives attackers unrestricted access to your entire Halo system, allowing them to manipulate or completely delete critical IT documentation, support tickets, and internal records. Aside from the obvious operational headaches, there's major compliance issues to worry about. Deletion or unauthorized modification of ticket data and IT documentation. This is information that your clients are expecting you to keep safe and maintain for them as part of your service. Losing audit trails and critical records could lead to expensive fines, audits, and severe reputational damage. Not to mention the cost of disruption of recovery. Talked on this show a lot about the fact that cyber criminals have pivoted away from things like ransomware to things like this, where they're extorting and or deleting data or threatening to under ransom. Researchers have estimated that over 1,000 cloud instances and numerous self-hosted installations were exposed prior to patching. Fortunately, Halo has issued critical updates addressing this issue, and you should immediately verify that your system is running at least one of these patch versions. The stable version currently is sitting at 2.174.94. Cloud customers, lucky for you, you've already been patched automatically. However, if you're running Halo products on premise, meaning you run your own server, it's absolutely critical that you update right now. Waiting even a single day dramatically increases your risk of ransomware, data breaches, and compliance violations. Cyber criminals who are aware and can exploit this vulnerability already are working hard to get as many victims under their belt as they can right now before the companies have time to patch. And after June 2nd, when this is publicly disclosed, if you don't have your systems patched, look out. Since Halo's ITSM, PSA, and CRM all use the same underlying code base, all three products are impacted. So don't assume you're safe. Verify and update your systems immediately. And please share this video widely with your IT and cybersecurity communities to help others protect their organizations from this urgent vulnerability and threat. Thanks for watching. Cybersecurity isn't just about technology, it's about staying informed and proactive. Subscribe to Exact Cybersecurity to stay on top of the latest threats, news, and intelligence. We'll bring it to you right here on this channel. Stay safe out there and stay secure.